Hi, this is Topher with BigCommerce. Recently, we added a very cool new feature called image zooming, and I'd like to show you how it works. This is a product single, and when you move the mouse over the picture, nothing happens. It's just a normal picture. But what if you want to take a closer look? This is where product zooming comes in. Now, it's turned off by default because we know for a fact that some people built in their own zoom support, and we didn't want to break that. So here's how you can turn it on. Go to Customize, and then go to BigCommerce, Product Single, and then right here is Image Zoom. Toggle the ability to zoom in on product gallery images. If we click Enabled, you can see it working just like that. So then we'll click Publish and close the customizer, and you can see it's still working there, but it also works on images as you change them. So you can zoom in on all of them. So that's how you enable product zoom.